Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a tasty and delicious fish roll. For this fish roll, we'll be using oven method. This is a healthy version on how to make your fish roll if you don't want to use the frying method. Continue watching to find out how I make this tasty, delicious fish roll. To make the fish roll, I'll be using mackerel fish, which I'll be cooking with salt, onion and some other seasoning. When the mackerel is done, I will debone the mackerel to remove the bone. When I'm done deboning the mackerel fish, I will mash the fish into smaller pieces. Set aside. I have a preheated pan. I'll allow the pan to heat, then I'll add some oil into the preheated pan. When the oil have preheated, I'll be adding the sliced onion. I will stir fry. While the onion is still frying, I'll add the mashed fish. At this stage, you can use any canned fish of your choice. I'll continue stir frying. While still stir frying, I will season the fish with stock cube, curry powder, ginger powder and nutmeg. Also use sardine. I'll be adding the sardine. I will stir everything together and allow to fry. The fish is ready. I will turn off the heat and set aside. To make the dough for the fish roll, I'll be using 500 grams of flour. I will add it into the bowl, add salt, add baking powder and sugar. Mix everything together. I will add butter. I will just mix the butter, then I will add egg. I will now thoroughly mix it to combine. At this stage, I would like to use my hand to mix the dough. When I'm done mixing the dough, I'll be adding water bit by bit and continue mixing. You can add more water depending on the texture of the dough and continue mixing until the dough is formed. I will sprinkle some flour on a clean surface, then cut out the dough. With a rolling pin, I will roll the dough to be flat. Roll out the dough until it is flat. When I'm done rolling out the dough, you can cut the edges. When I'm done rolling out the dough, I will add the fish fillings on the dough. I will fold the dough and make sure that the dough is properly sealed. Then I will rub some water on the edges of the dough. This will help the dough to seal properly. Then I will continue rolling. I will press the edges to seal properly. Then with the pizza cutter, I will cut the dough to my desired shape. For the second method, I roll out a dough, add the fish fillings. I will seal it to make sure that it closes properly. Then I will roll, cut out the excess dough, then rub some water at the edge of the dough and seal it. I will press to make sure that it seals properly. Then you can set aside. When I'm done with all the dough, I'll be brushing it with egg and milk. I will stir to mix properly. Then I'll place the fish roll on the oven tray. I will brush the egg mixture on the dough. At this stage, I've already preheated the oven. Then I'll put them into the oven and allow to bake. Bake for about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, the baked fish roll is ready. This fish roll tastes so delicious and it is a healthy way to enjoy your fish roll. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.